But after the first cycle of evolution, I ended up getting a centum in my biology board exam. I was still a little shy in that shell. In my third up, that shell kind of broke. Okay, I feel like I can say that. I could go up and talk to people, go out on my own. So after my 10th grade, me and my friend, we started our own business during the time. I think 10 years, I'm gonna be honest. It would have taken a lot more time for me to get to this stage in my life. Every consultation I had with Antanu and Harini, I learned something new. Thanks for helping and helping people, because it's been a really great experience for me. So I'm Aditi. I am 17 years old. I'm in the 12th grade and I'm majoring in design. So I take visual arts, design technology, and psychology as some of my main subjects. I used to be extremely sensitive back in the 10th grade. I would cry every other week.
Definitely, there were big changes, and I was able to adapt to it more easily, for sure. Because I think there was a huge I changed schools after 10th grade. I was able to adapt more to many new changes that was there.
And now I barely cry at all, and it's not because I'm insensitive or anything. It's just I've learned to deal with my emotions in a much better way. My name is Arya. I'm in the 8th grade. I live in Bangalore. I go to Oak Ridge International School. Still not that much. I was still a little shy in that shell.
In singing, I'm a little shy to sing in front of other people. I want to become better at public speaking and better at singing. I feel like I'm not really comfortable doing it. I'm shy while doing it. Before, I feel like I can string together my thoughts better and speak it properly.
Superb. Very nice.
In my third up, that shell kind of broke. Okay, I feel like I can say that. I could go up and talk to people, go out on my own. I wasn't that shy. I could honestly just go up and talk to people much better. Initially, she was super shy, and I used to be worried hey, if she goes to a new school, how's she gonna make friends? And then now she has more friends than me, and she's just a social butterfly.
I was able to focus more. There were times when I couldn't focus at all. Now I'm able to at least focus for a while, much more than before.
And with that focus, what happens?
I'm able to finish more work and study more.
I actually got my grades today, and I'm quite happy with it because I didn't study that hard.
And with my grades, my pre-boards time since I was in the 10th grade. But after the first cycle of evolution, I ended up getting a centum in my biology board exam. And I think I got the highest in my grade in art. So it clearly showed which subjects were the things that I was good at compared to a lot. Because I think in my pre-boards I would have gotten 56 on 80 in bio, and then right when the boards came, it just peaked immediately.
Not studying enough, probably.
Not studying enough, probably.
I wanted to get good marks, and now I'm getting 7s out of 8 in my grade. And right now I feel like I do get a lot better marks because I got the highest marks in my grade for English in this term.
After Antanu and Harini, I kind of felt like I was able to study more efficiently, and now I usually get the top marks in my class. I think my relationship with friends, definitely, because I think there was a lot of drama, and in 10th grade I did not handle it well.
Friends, I think so far it's going well since I'm at a new school and I've made a lot of new friends.
My ability to make choices with the right friends and who I think would be the best friend for me, I think I was more mature in that sense.
Probably have better relationships with my friends.
I feel like it would have been more difficult for me to adjust at my old new school because I was shifting schools when I'd been like at the same place like all my life. Yeah, and I also started dancing a lot, which means a lot to me.
I do go for dance classes though. Like I'm already like in an advanced level of dancing, so it's like a mix between ballet and like modern dance.
Because I feel like everyone needs that like outlet where they want to do something creative. Because now that I take art has become like a part of school for the next 2 years.
I also wanted to become more fit, and I've reduced my weight from the past year.
And I think like my physical strength has also improved. And recently I also started doing like Silamdam, which is a type of like martial arts. I started doing a lot more physical activities. I am able to focus completely on whatever I want to do, like whatever I'm doing at that point in time.
I think it has been better since the last talk with my sister because I've like opened up to her much more. That's for sure.
Yeah, but I would like to spend more time with her, I'd say. Because I'm also going to college soon, so yeah, I definitely want to spend more time with her alone. So I think my relationship with my sister has like drastically improved. I mean, sure, we fight a lot, so like, but yeah, it's definitely improved.
In terms of relationships, I still want my bonds to be deeper
Deeper. Okay.
and like more connected. Family-wise, I think I've grown a lot closer to my family. Like I've started sharing a lot more. And then my relationships got better. Before we didn't really share like much, like it was just like a normal relationship. And then after Antano and Harini, I feel like we've definitely started talking about important stuff and deeper conversations. And we do share with each other a lot more. Like I tell her everything.
Same.
Yeah.
She knows everything.
Yeah.
It means everything. I think like relationships that are built now would last the longest. It's a strong foundation.
Yeah, like just having this kind of relationship makes me feel very happy since she's my sister. And like, yeah, and like this is the kind of thing that lasts a lifetime. So this is like the base of it. It's gonna keep getting deeper and deeper.
She just
as
said the
we go
same
on.
thing I said in like different words.
Because we are connected. We're connected.
Every like consultation I had with like Antano and Harini, I learned something new. Like the most recent one, I like thought I was not a very like motivated person. But after that, I realized I was an extremely ambitious person.
So in the next 5 to 10 years, I feel like being able to study better will definitely help me like get like good scores in like boards to get into colleges.
How many years do you think has time compressed for you?
I'd say about 5 to 6 years.
Have time compressed for you?
I think 10 years, I'm gonna be honest. Like, it would have taken a lot more time for me to get to this stage in my life if I hadn't actually gone to Antano and Harini.
Aditi, what do you want to tell Antano and Harini?
Thank you.
Arya, what do you want to tell Antano and Harini?
Thanks for helping and like helping people because it's been a really great experience for me, and learning how I can actually also help other people like while improving on myself has been really great.